Alright, I'm going to go through the instructions for how to add a link on a Smart Notebook video, and in this particular example you see I've got Smart Exchange highlighted here. I have a link tied to that already, so I'd like to show you how to put that in. First, make sure that the text or the object that you want to add the link to is selected. You can see this is selected, has a little box around it. To do that, use the selection tool, which is this arrow tool at the top. Click on the text and it selects it. Once that's done, you get this little drop down arrow and click on that. Click on link. Then you get a window and it says, now do you want this link to be a web page? So in this particular case, I've linked to a web page. It's www.exchange.smarttech.com. If I wanted to link to a page in the document instead, like to another page within this notebook document, I'd click this option, I'd select the page. If I wanted to link to a file that's on the computer, I'd click here, give me an option to browse for that particular file. And I really have not used this current attachments option, so I'm not sure how that works, but these first three I find to be very useful. If you want to have a little icon in the corner, like a little globe to click on, you can do that. It'll place it down at the bottom left corner here. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll click OK. Notice it puts a little globe down here. I really prefer to just be able to click on anywhere on the object and have the link pop up. So I'll change this back. Go back to the drop down, click on link, click on object, and that way when I click OK, click anywhere else in the document just to deselect that. Notice when I mouse over any part of this text, I get the little pointing finger, which means the whole thing is a link. I can click anywhere there and it takes me to the link that I've designated, the web page. So there it is. Now let's go back to the notebook document here. Same process for these other guys. This one, I'll just select it by dragging a box around it here, and I'll show you what this link looks like. Click on the drop down, click on link. This one is linked to another page in this notebook document. If I click on this, it just takes me to the next page. You can see it's selected here, the next page in the document. It previews what that page looks like. I'll cancel that. I've already got this selected. The one at the bottom is actually going to be where I put this recording. So when I finish the recording, I'll click stop to stop the recording. I'll save it, give it a file name, put it on the computer, and then in the drop down here, I'll go to link. I'll say link to a file on this computer, and I'll actually browse to find the location of the recording that tells you how to do all of this. I'll come down here, I'll click on object, and then it'll be finished. So when you click on this, you'll see the video and hear the video that I'm recording right now. But for now I need to cancel so I can finish saving and put this all together so it'll be ready for you when you click on it.